Hey guys, Jacob here at ePoolSupply. Today we have Hayward's Wanda the Whale. We're going to show you what's inside this box, see if it's the right pool cleaner for you. Alright, and we're back. So, we've got Hayward's Wanda the Whale. Very awkward if your name is Wanda, I'm sorry. But yeah, Wanda the Whale, okay? It's an above ground pool cleaner. It's pretty straightforward. So it's got two counterparts. It's got Hayward's Penguin, and it also has Hayward's Aqua Bug. Let's take pictures of those right here. I'm gonna pull one up here, pull one up here. All three of them are pretty much the same exact cleaner. They just look different, so you can customize whichever pool cleaner you want in your pool. Today, we're going over Wanda the Whale. So let's dive in this box and see what's inside. Oh yeah, broke that. All right, so first things first, Hayward gives you their warranty card. They get to show you what's on their warranty for this cleaner. Always important to read your warranties, okay? Second thing, they have a quick install guide. 8 steps. First step, clean your pool. Second step, clean your filter. I just filled out a quarter of the steps for you right there. So, a complete installation manual. It's got the parts list. It's got kind of everything in here that you need to read. You guys can rifle through that on your own. So, let's see what's inside this box. This is the actual pool cleaner box. We're gonna put this to the side. I wanna show you what's inside. I got 10 cleaner hoses. The first one is a leader hose. See how it's got the orange sticker attached to it? That one goes into the cleaner itself. Other than that, the rest of the hoses attach to that one and then go into your skimmer, or if you have a dedicated wall suction, goes into the dedicated wall suction. Comes with 10 of them, so it should be enough length for your pool. It should cover you roughly up to 30 feet, obviously. So pretty cool. What I'm gonna do is get this big bulky box out of the way so I can show you what's in the rest of the cleaner. So, here's the box for the cleaner. Let's open it up, see what's inside. I'm gonna take out the accessories first. So we have our flow gauge, we have our flow meter, we have our skimmer cone. So what you're gonna end up doing, the way you install it, mostly if you have a above ground pool, is this goes into your skimmer, your flow meter goes in here, and then your flow gauge goes on the very last, the leader hose before you install it, because this is for testing purposes only. This is never installed permanently. So what you end up doing is you install all that, and then the end of this has a minimum and a maximum. You want that to actually be floating, because this thing will go down with more suction. So you actually want it to be in the middle of that. And the way to adjust that is turning this, your flow gauge, or flow meter. So that way it goes min, max, whatever, set it in, get rid of this, put the cleaner on, this goes inside your skimmer, you're good to go. So, those are the adapter pieces that come with it. Next, a whale tail. And after that, we got Wanda here. Wanda's always smiling at you. So, we got Wanda the Whale. The way this works is Wanda's whale tail goes on the back here. Clips in, and clips in. So now, we got a little Wanda. So, pretty cool. Again, there's 2 other little counterparts. There's an Aqua Bug and Penguin if you want to get those, but I'm more of a Wanda fan myself. So what you're gonna wanna do is always take a look at everything, make sure it's all good and no parts missing. So you've got your feet, you got your flaps, you have all the mechanisms. This cleaner has a very small orifice in the bottom, so it can't take the big rocks. So if a rock does get in here, it's gonna get stuck. So it's easy as just plucking it out or taking these screws out, then accessing it that way. The coolest part about this cleaner, in my opinion, is the belt on the outside here. So if it actually does run into a wall, this thing can still turn and go away from the wall. It's kind of a creative little concept. I love that about these cleaners. So then, the way that these cleaners work, let me pop this up some water up here so you guys can see. So imagine your swimming pool here. You know what? Let's put a swimming pool right here. So what this thing's gonna do is gonna go in circles, and then it's gonna straighten out and go in circles again. It's gonna straighten out, go in circles, straighten out, go in circles. So it's got a really tight niche cleaning pattern, which is kind of cool. It's not a completely randomized cleaning pattern like a lot of other pool cleaners out there. And again, this cleaner is meant for above ground pools. It's not really meant for in-ground pools. You can try it, it just won't work very well, strictly because the way that the whole thing's set up, it's got these shoes on here that are very, very soft. So the shoes probably won't work very well. They're gonna deteriorate real quick, especially on like a PebbleTech surface. So again, we got Wanda here, great little cleaner. I would recommend it here at ePoolSupply. If you're looking for a good above ground cleaner, let's get this one. So I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.